Many Hungarian students taking their final year exams this week, the country's Prime Minister Viktor Orban posted a message of support on social media. But the image he used to accompany this Facebook post has generated a lot of controversy. Well, this is the image, and you can see that it does not show a map of modern-day Europe. This actually shows the former Hungarian Empire before the end of the First World War. This includes large parts of some of Hungary's modern-day neighbours, the likes of Serbia, Slovenia, Romania and Croatia, all of which were lost in the Treaty of Trianon, which brought an end to the Austro-Hungarian Empire in 1920. Now, Hungary lost around 2/3 of its territory in this treaty, and many people in the country consider this to be a national tragedy. You can see maps like this at rallies for the far right in the country. But it is a very controversial gesture from Viktor Orban, and two of the leaders of the neighbouring countries of Hungary have responded to him. Firstly, the president of Croatia, Zoran Milanovic, has sent his own message to students, saying that there are other European countries that have old maps like this in their archives, which show them to have greater land. But he has urged citizens not to share these types of images because, in his words, they are not relevant or effective today. The country's foreign minister has also commented, saying that relations between Hungary and Croatia are excellent at the moment, but that claims of territory like this are intolerable in the modern-day European Union. But it's not just Croatia, it's also Romania that have reacted. Hundreds of people sending messages to Viktor Orban on Facebook because of this post, and the country's Prime Minister has also reacted sarcastically. Now, Romania does have a large number of ethnic Hungarians in a region known as Transylvania, and this week that area was in the headlines because the Romanian Parliament decided not to allow that region to declare Hungarian an official language. Now, this is not the first time that Viktor Orban has shared a controversial image like this, and remember, this happens at the same time that the European Union and Western Balkan countries are seeking further talks about future cooperation. It remains to be seen if this is a step back in that direction, but it certainly shows how modern-day political diplomacy can be fought out on social media.